So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy gems in Stumble Guys. So the first thing you want to do is open up Stumble Guys on here, click on play. After that you will see a layout similar to this one. You can see Stumble Guys, you can see play, shop, hub, creators and stuff like that. So on here you can see your profile, you can see your progress, your settings, missions, party and so on. Now in order to buy gems, which is a currency in the game, you can go to shop, but you can even access it through here. So these two are currency. You can see the gems looking like this green gem. Click the plus sign here. It will just wait a few moments. After that you'll be redirected to the shop. Right now you have 5 gems. If you want to buy something, you can see bundles like for 1600 it's a bit cheaper than buying twice the 800 bag and so on. If you have a discount code, you can just click on the enter code button and put in a redeem code, which will help out with getting you more gems for less money. You can also see some offers which are here for these customizable things like hats, as well as some other currency. So you can get a better deal. If you're already buying gems, you can get it for cheaper. So you can just do it through here however many times you want, and make sure that you have your card information next to you. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Stumble Guys or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.